Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Discovery R Dynamic SE in Eiger Grey. You have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys, a powered tailgate, plenty of space there in the back. As you can see, your mats are ready to go in the car. They do also have 2 extra seats, which is ideal for families. And an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have a fixed panoramic roof, great for letting in more light, and also fixed features either side, which again is ideal for families. And going into the front, you have R Dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior, which is easy to clean. Another panoramic roof at the front, but this one opens, which is really nice on a sunny day or just for a bit of fresh air. Fridge compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. You also have wireless charging, which is great whilst you're on the go. You can push it in for heated seats, and then you can change the temperature of the car or pull it out and change the intensity of the fan. Different functions including your tow bar, which you can control from inside the vehicle, .360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, and you do also have an off-road option. Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and make calls on the go. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. And a heated steering wheel. Memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system, making each journey that little bit more enjoyable. This car is brand new, therefore it's only done 15 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a lovely Discovery. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.